Pretty exciting day. We're building the first chairlift to test the chairlift out maybe tomorrow. I got the bracket all built. It's working like that. And this guy, we're gonna come off on that. So, real simple chair for starters, and then we're going to add to it, but it's going to be adjustable for height. So if it snows a bunch, we can shorten it, and if in spring we can actually lower it. Pretty cool. Here we are. Look at that. So right now it's kind of hanging at an angle, and that means we're going to need some weight, I think. Actually more weight on the bottom, but let's check it out. If you stand on it, it's actually straight. Yeah. Oh. Got chair one ready to test out. There she is. Yeah. It's a one-seater. Oh man, can't wait. Exciting times. Today we have the chairlift is up here. We got all our final touches here. We're gonna cut some trees, trim. We got our batteries for the electric start, the motor. We got the brackets for holding the battery up, and we got the chair. This is the first chair we get to put on. It is going up today. It is the 26th of February, 2013. This is a 9-month project, and we're almost done. We're mounting the first chair today. Wow, can't believe it. Check this out. This is a chair right here. Here we go. There goes the chair! Look at that! Here it comes, first time around. There you have it. That is how you make your own ski lift. My first passenger. Here we go. Test trial number 1. What's up? Here we're riding, first day of the year. Got some pow, big run, big line, huge line.
Huge.
No one around.
No friends.
You. Kyle, how do you feel about riding this homemade lift?
It's interesting. It's definitely the first time I've ever ridden a homemade chairlift.
Here we go. Riding the chairlift at Area241. This is how we do it. We got lunch when you need it, a refresher when you need it. We have a little insight of what I have been dreaming of this place being, and that is to make an outdoor gallery here. We have a start of a piece of art just for fun, to really get out here in the woods, snowboard with some fun art. Photography, of course, where my focuses have been the last 10 years. Yeah, we're good. Getting to the top here. Well, last sip of beer. Okay, getting off. We're at the top. Oh man. Yeah! Nice exit.